Maximize your EV battery life. Smart charging and maintenance tips. Want to extend your EV battery life and save money? Here's how. Your EV's battery is its heart. Proper care can add years to its lifespan. What affects battery life? Extreme weather. Cold slows charging, while heat speeds up degradation. Aggressive driving. Rapid acceleration drains the battery faster. Charging habits. Frequent fast charging is convenient, but can wear out the battery over time. 3 easy ways to extend battery life. Stick to the 20 to 80%. Charging rule. Avoid draining or fully charging the battery regularly. Use preconditioning. Warm up or cool down the battery before charging for better efficiency. Prioritize level 2. Charging. Slower charging helps preserve battery health. Replacing an EV battery costs between $5,000 and $15,000. But with smart habits, your battery can last 10 to 15 years. Want more expert EV tips? Visit evbatterycentral.com.